Hey guys, welcome back to my second clean and decorate for Christmas. I am starting to share with you guys a little bit of my decorations in the kitchen and the living room. And I have to be honest with you guys, I'm a little bit all over the place in this video. I started on one day completely motivated to get my decorating started. This was after I had gotten back from my trip, and then through the middle of the day, I started having migraines and I just had to stop. So real life guys, you're gonna see midway through this video that I have a complete outfit change and I am just bouncing back and forth between different places because that was the best way for me to do it this time around. If you're new here, I want to just say welcome. I'm glad that you clicked on this video today and I hope you'll stick around until the end and hopefully you decide to subscribe and become a part of my YouTube family here. And to those who are returning, thank you guys as always for all of your support. I love when you guys stop in the comments and say hi, and I am just thankful and appreciate you all. Girl, I won't let you go down the stars when the sky comes alive. Let's have a jolly holiday. So when I'm decorating in my kitchen, I always start in this area first just because I have so much space on these cabinets that I find it so satisfying to decorate for Christmas. It's almost like my little mantle up in the kitchen, or shall I say my big mantle in the kitchen. And I have so much fun decorating the space for the holidays. But as you can see, sometimes you just don't know what to do, what's too much, what looks right. And I took those extra signs that I had put up there down, and I'll actually be coming back to this space because I'm not quite finished with it yet. In the meantime, I am adding red sparkly bows onto my wreaths, and I thought this was so perfect. Ever since I put these wreaths up here, I just knew that for Christmas I wanted to add bows to them, and you're gonna just see throughout my house. I love the red and I love the sparkle. The more that I can have of it around, the happier it makes me. It's cold outside. So this is a spot where normally I wouldn't add anything to, but I had this extra greenery this year and I thought it would go perfect here. And I don't add the bow here, but I will add a bow at the end. So you'll see that at the end when everything is all finished. Now this is the area where I usually put my hot cocoa station, but I haven't gotten there yet. Hopefully by the end of November, I will have started with my hot cocoa station, so I'll just be leaving that empty for now. And if you follow me over on Instagram, then you probably saw my little kitchen towels that I picked up at Ross this year. I am in love with those, and if I can keep them intact throughout the entire Christmas season, I will be ecstatic. Now, obviously, this was the next day. I had to stop the previous day just because I was starting to get a migraine and I had lost all my motivation to get anything done. And I just want to let you guys know that if that is real life for you, because I know sometimes we watch, I love my Christmas decorate and meet with me videos that I watch from a lot of the people that I watch. And a lot of them get all of this done in one day, and honestly that is not realistic for everyone. And while it seems nice and it would be absolutely amazing to do it all in one day and probably exhausting, it's not realistic for everyone. So I am just letting you guys know because still, little by little, I am decorating, and I put a lot of work into my decor, but I don't want to overexert myself and try to get everything done in one day if it's absolutely not possible. So if you're wondering why I am switching these trays, it's because that white one fits better where I do my hot cocoa station, and so I just want to get everything out of it and go ahead and have it empty for when I'm ready to get that done. And here you're only going to see me adding lights, extra lights onto the tree. You're not going to see me working on the tree because this is something that we do as a family. So I did have to add some extra lights that I had my husband pick up, and he actually ended up picking up these LED lights that I added to the tree and I absolutely loved. I don't know where I have been hiding under a rock, but I definitely will be buying these from now on. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me.
A lot of the stuff that you're going to see is probably going to change here and there. I'll probably switch some things around. This piece here, I am not quite sure if I'm going to leave, just because I feel like the stems on this greenery was way too long and I couldn't bend it, and I didn't want to cut it just in case I wanted it this length for the future. But I feel like it may have been just too tall for this picture, so I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to leave it, but for now it's gonna stay. It might change though. Hopefully I will get around to doing a Christmas home tour this year, and I will show you guys how everything turns out after I've probably switched a lot of it around.
Baby, with you. Woo-hoo. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with.
This year I definitely gravitated more towards the reds, and I'm more of like a gold and glam, and this red is really just making my heart happy. So I just made sure to add it everywhere that I could around the house. There's that bow on the lamp that I added, and this is the top of the cabinet. In the end, I ended up adding this gift and those two white trees next to the Merry Christmas sign, and I thought it turned out so pretty. It is actually one of my favorite spots, and there's a little glimpse of the tree that you get.
Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights.
I hope that you guys have enjoyed today's video. I have so much fun making these, and especially for Christmas time. So if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't hit subscribe yet, I hope you'll consider subscribing. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Take care and God bless, guys. Bye.
Is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas.